Hello and welcome back to Dancehall Soundlab. Today we're going to dive into the world of audio mixing, specifically focusing on dancehall vocals. We'll be using a series of plugins to achieve the perfect mix. And in this video, we're starting with the NS1 automatic noise suppression plugin from Waves. This tool is a game changer for eliminating unnecessary background noise and bringing your vocals to the forefront. Let's get started. The NS1 is a single control noise suppression tool that works in real time. It's designed to analyze your audio, separate the voice from the noise, apply noise reduction, and deliver clean audio. The beauty of this plugin lies in its simplicity. With just one control, you can significantly reduce noise in your audio tracks. Now let's see the NS1 in action. I have a dancehall vocal track here that has some background noise. We're going to use the NS1 to clean it up. This vocal is a part of a song we will be mixing as we go through the plugins. Each video we will see the song come to life. Let me play the raw vocal so you can tell the difference when we apply the plugin.
It's too late, too late, too late, too late, too late, too late. Yeah, it's too late, too late.
I got the plugin already loaded onto the mixer. Now let's adjust the slider until we get the sound we want.
It's too late, too late, too late, too late, too late, too late. Yeah, it's too late, too late. It's too late, too late, too late, too late, too late, too late. It's too late, too late, too late, too late.
All right, we can work with that. As you can see, the NS1 interface is straightforward. There's only one control, which makes it incredibly easy to use. I'm just going to make a few more adjustments to the plugin, and then we will listen with the instrumental.
It's too late, too late, too late, too late, too late, too late. Yeah, it's too late, too late. It's too late, too late, too late, too late, too late, too late. Yeah, it's too late, too late. It's too late. It's too late, too late, too late, too late, too late, too late. Yeah, it's too late, too late.
Listen to the track now. Can you hear the difference? The background noise is significantly reduced, and the vocals are much clearer. That's the power of the NS1 plugin. That's it for this tutorial on the NS1 automatic noise suppression plugin from Waves. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can make a significant difference in your audio mixing process. Remember, the key is to adjust the control to the point where the noise is suppressed, but the vocal quality is not affected. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next tutorial where we'll explore another plugin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.